Today in this video, let us unbox the Kingston XS2000 portable SSD, which offers 2000 Mbps read speed and 2000 Mbps write speed. As you can see, this device offers 500 GB of storage and it is also available in 1 TB variant. If you look at the technical specifications of this drive, you need to have a laptop that supports or a computer that supports USB 3.2 Gen 2.2 standard to get 2000 Mbps read and write speeds. As you can see on the box, it has an MRP of 17,000. However, at the time of doing this video, this product was listed on Amazon for 9,600 rupees. Now, without wasting any further time, let's actually open the box. As we get into the retail package of the Kingston XS2000 SSD, as you can see, it majorly has three major components inside the box. The drive itself, which is pretty small and the size is similar to most of the pen drives that you might have used already. And it also has a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Again, you also have to use this specific cable to get those speeds. And it also has a rubber case which should protect the SSD from accidental drops and shocks. As you can see, on the SSD itself, there is a single USB Type-C port and an LED light. Again, if you want to use this with a conventional computer, you might have to get an adapter that offers USB Type-C to USB Type-C conversion. Again, given this comes with an USB Type-C port, it can be used with a plethora of devices like modern laptops, Android smartphones, even the iPad Air, iPad Pro and the newly launched iPad mini. We will be fully testing this SSD in the next few days, so stay tuned for the full review of the Kingston XS2000 portable SSD on Gizbot. For more amazing videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification anytime we upload a new video. This is Vivek signing off.